Hey, what's up everyone? It is Tyiece here. So today I will be showing you what I eat in a day to lose weight. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a rating if you found it helpful. So this morning I am eating some oatmeal, and oatmeal is high in fiber. It's full of vitamins. It keeps me really full longer. So I only make my oatmeal with water, and I add in a scoop of peanut butter just for protein. And I also add in banana just to give it a natural sweetness and make the meal much more filling. This breakfast keeps me energized, it keeps me light and full of energy. So you want to make sure each meal that you eat is a hearty, healthy meal when you're trying to lose weight. Do not try to starve yourself or deprive yourself of food. Just eat a lot of healthy food. So I always follow up each meal with water. So during my weight loss journey, I drink half my body weight. So half my body weight is about 64 ounces. So it's usually 2 bottles of water as shown. So this is my first snack of the day. So today I am having some grapes and some plantain nuts for protein. So I'm actually in the mall right now and didn't stay home for lunch today, so I'm just gonna grab a poke bowl. I actually ate here before. This is Kappa. It was pretty good. I had the Kappa bowl the last time, but today I think I'm gonna get the salmon poke. The seaweed salad, mango, cucumbers, avocado, salmon, and some red onions, and then under here is rice. This is so yummy. It is all finished. Now I'm going to drink my water and I can head out full of energy, nice and healthy. So I stopped to get some frozen yogurt. This is usually what I eat instead of ice cream. I put the caramel sauce on it, Dulce Delicious caramel, just to get a break. It's good to just enjoy life. Don't take this stuff too seriously. So I usually cook dinner, but since I went out late that day and I had a really late lunch, I think I ate around 5 o'clock, so I wasn't that hungry around dinner time. So I just decided to make me a really light dinner, which consisted of some leafy greens, some carrots, tomatoes, and imitation crab meat. So make sure that you are eating well-balanced meal. Do not just eat vegetables and say this is your meal, you're trying to lose weight. I used to do that. That's why I never liked it salad. But I learned that your salad should be really whole, and every meal should be really whole, which consists of vegetables, protein, fats, and sometimes you can add carbs. So I like to skip carbs for at least one meal out of the day. So today I chose dinner to skip carbs, and I'm only going to be eating salads. So this is definitely a lifestyle for me. This is not just a fast diet. It's so easy to lose weight. Just eat healthy food and make it a lifestyle. Don't just follow fast overnight diets, because you're just gonna get burnt out and give up, and you're not gonna feel inspired and motivated. But once you're eating healthy, trust me, the results are just gonna creep up on you and you're gonna be surprised in fact. So after each meal, you should feel full, light, and energized. So this is basically what I ate in a day for this particular day. Of course, my meals vary depending on the day. Thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. I hope that you found it helpful, and I wish you the best on your journey.